How to make a group chat in Messages on iPhone. First, enable group messaging. Before you create group messages, you have to enable group messaging on your iPhone. Here's how to enable these settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap Messages. Step 3. In iOS 17 and later, group messaging is enabled by default. To ensure group messages work across both iPhone and Android devices, check that Send as SMS and MMS messaging are both turned on in your settings. Second, create a group text on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Messages app. Step 2. Tap the Compose icon in the upper right corner. Step 3. Enter the names of the contacts you want to add to the group chat, or you can tap the Add icon to look for them in your contacts list. Step 4. Type your group text message and tap the Send icon.